All right, folks. Jeff from RV Diagnostics. Quick video again on the water leak RV beaver Marquise. Here we go. I want to show you what we did real quick. We had some delamination, so I put some epoxy equipment down in there and did it all around to protect them. Even though it had rubber pads, I put wood all the way around. All right, I'm going to let this set up all night, and I'm going to make another one of these sandwich boards right here. Remember, I showed you. Right, it's all about measurements, and I used Boss Starch heavy duty 3/8" staples. I kind of over stapled it because I don't want it coming apart. And then I'm sanding this down. I still got a little spot. This is where my epoxy is going to go that the customer ordered. A lot of times I have y'all order this stuff so it don't hit my paperwork. All right. This was really worse off than I thought it would be, folks. But it is what it is. We're going to do our best, get it back up, and try to make it look beautiful. We couldn't get this material, so we're going to go with a veneer. All right. Well, there it is, folks. The window's out there, covered up in plastic, or covered up in paper, just in case, like the cat jumps on it and wants to break it or something, right? All right, another view right from the outside. See, that's the thickness of the fiberglass right there. Isn't that amazing? That is thick. All right, it's equal to a boat. All right, folks, this is Jeff from RV Diagnostics. That's me right there. How do you get a hold of me? How you get a hold of me? You know. Huh? I had the Facebook page, RV Diagnostics and Troubleshooting. And that's like going to be 21,000 or 22,000 members here real soon. Thank you very much for joining that Facebook page. If you haven't, join. This is the YouTube channel, RV Diagnostics. It's called RV Diagnostics. Oh, let me turn the light out. Even though I got it hooked up to 120. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel. Give me a thumbs up. Put something in the comments, right? If you want to come to the garage and learn how to do this stuff, I can do that with you on your RV. Yeah, you still got to pay me, but not as much as if I did it by myself. All right, so we're gonna take a little break, and we'll get something to eat, and then we're gonna make another sandwich board, and we'll let that dry overnight. And all right, so you know the Facebook page RV Diagnostics. We talked about that, right? You know that the YouTube channel right here, RV Diagnostics. A lot of you don't belong to the Facebook page. You're going to see this video on YouTube channel RV Diagnostics. Go ahead to the Facebook page if you have an RV pop up. It don't matter. You ain't got to have a big old Class A. You know, I started out in an Army tent, for God's sake. So really, in a tent and a tank and a recovery vehicle. All right. Now, what's another way to get a hold of me? Well, my email, jeff@rvdiagnostics.com. All right. It's just my name, right? And RV Diagnostics, plural, even though it's a little backwards right there. So, what's that get? So if you want to stop by the garage at 22480 Bloxham School Road, Seaford, Delaware, 19973. Don't just show up, folks. I do have 50 amp service, water, and sewage back here for you. All right, I don't mean you can come up here and stay 2 damn years. Oops, I slid with a word. That means when you come here, you have a place to stay while we learn and teach you how to fix your RV. While you learn, and we'll teach you how to fix it. So it's a real nice little setup. It's got a swimming pool, I've got a hot tub. I got to ask my wife if that's okay if you join in. But most of the people that show up here, we're relaxed with them and we're okay. We're animal friendly. We have like 3 acres. We got a big old yard back there. They can pee and poop, but you got to pick up your poop. So what's another way to get a hold of me? Well, a lot of you are learning this, and a lot of the other pages, Monaco pages, IRV2, A lot of them are starting to know about me, and people are telling them about me. I thank you very much. So how do you do that? You get on the website www.rvdiagnostics.com and you join. Right now it's $118 a year. You get one-on-one with me, and I'd say I'm in the high 90% successful helping you figure out what's wrong with your RV. All right, now I learned something the other day off of one of my members, which is local, and about her Tiffin Max 7 engine, how to pull the codes and all. I didn't know. We were close. We were close, but I didn't know. She called up, found out about it for me, and then she got a hold of me. Very nice lady. She loves her RV, and my God, she just took a trip all through like the New England states and all. Man, she was happy. All right, her and her friend, they were having a great time. Love them. They're both great people. And her RVer. So what can I say about her? Is there a bad RVer? I don't know. I ain't met one yet. I'm sure I'll run across one. So that's another way to get a hold of me, right, folks? Eventually, I'm going to jack it up to about $150 a year. And you're saying, my God, that's a lot of money. Folks, I'm saving you thousands a year. And what's more important than that is a lot of the stuff you're going to learn how to troubleshoot teaches you how to do your preventive maintenance. And I made videos on that, okay? I just had somebody with a beaver out there, ran it hot, went into limp mode, and found out he didn't have no coolant. All right, so did he have a coolant leak? It was never checked. Folks, you check all fluids. I even check the water tank and the poop tank before I move out. All right, it's a fluid. All right, power steering, engine oil, transmission, what else? Coolant, aqua hot or hydronic heaters, please, folks. So, and he's a member of the website, and he called and we walked him through some stuff, and he learned some stuff. He sent me some pictures, and I watched what he did, and we both learned. All right, and I love beavers. All right, they're just one of the best quality coaches out there ever built. 4 air springs, but they're airbags per axle. All right, yeah, there's some other ones that are Prevo, and there's top of the line Newell. It's a little too fancy for me. Well, there's some beavers out there really like the one we just worked on there. So you got it. You got it. How many ways to get a hold of me? Facebook page RV Diagnostic Troubleshooting. Please subscribe. 2. The website www.rvdiagnostics.com. That's a paid membership one-on-one. That's where you get my telephone number. 3. The email jeff@rvdiagnostics.com. 4. The YouTube channel. Leave a message or what. Hey, Jeffrey, I don't understand what you said. All right. And you can get a hold of me on Facebook Messenger. All right. Okay, folks. That's a couple of different. And then there's the school and shop here, folks. I just received my first Social Security check. All right. So I'm starting to slow down. So let's have some fun together. Stop on by. But remember, email me. Let me know. You can call me if you got my telephone number. Let me know. I'll be glad to arrange you. Heck, I might even be camping. That's what I'm talking about. Or glamping. All right, so folks, really appreciate everything you've done for me. The word's out now. There's some people in Lippert that are getting a hold of me, and Hughes has gotten a hold of me. So I got to ask another favor. On the YouTube channel, load it up, put it in the background, let it run on, I don't know, I'm 280 videos now. Let it run in the background at night, all right? And then you get up in the morning and shut it off. Then do it again. Do it like 5-10 days in a row. Because once I get to 4,000 hours, I start getting paid for my commercials that are on there. That ain't what I'm really worried about. That's pennies on the pennies. I ain't worried about the pennies. I get to put my own commercials on there, folks. Okay? And I'm going to put some RV diagnostic commercials. I'm going to put some sponsors. I'm trying to keep the cost of RV diagnostic website down. All right? Because I'm going to meet some of y'all out there. Once again, what's the motto of RV Diagnostics? You're right. Test, not guess. What's the other famous saying that I say? Safe travels, and may your campfire burn bright. Until the next video, this is Jeff from RV Diagnostics.